Are you feeling the strain of modern life? Like the world is louder, faster, harsher, and somehow the ancient questions still haven't gone away. How do we live well? How do we stay steady? How do we find peace of mind in an anxious age? That's exactly what the Philosopher's Tome offers. This is not a dry academic textbook. It's a practical, beautifully curated collection of 103 timeless teachings from the greatest minds of ancient Greece and Rome. Think Socrates, Plato, Aristotle, Epicurus, Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, and more. The Philosopher's Tome. The core idea is simple. Centuries ago, these philosophers developed the cognitive tools we still desperately need today. Tools for resilience, calm, courage, and ethical living. The Philosopher's Tome. In the opening pages, the author reflects on a trend many of us recognize immediately: rising anxiety, emotional overwhelm, and social hostility in the modern world. He notes that even young adults are experiencing dramatic increases in anxiety, backed by published research. The Philosopher's Tome. And instead of offering empty motivational slogans, this book turns to something far more durable. Wisdom that has survived 2,000 years. Each entry gives you a quote, context, and a modern reflection, something you can actually apply to daily life. For example, Socrates reminds us, we cannot live better than in seeking to become better. Epicurus offers a definition of peace that feels almost radical today. He who has peace of mind disturbs neither himself nor another. And throughout the book, the message is clear. You don't need to control the chaos of the world. You need the inner discipline to meet it with wisdom. One of the most beautiful features of the Philosopher's Tome is how it's meant to be read. Not rushed through, but opened slowly, almost like a daily companion. You can read it cover to cover, or simply turn to a random page each day and absorb a single lesson. This is philosophy not as abstraction, but as training weights for the mind, as Epictetus put it. So if you're looking for calm in a noisy era, if you want strength without bitterness, if you want ancient insight made practical for modern life, then read the Philosopher's Tome, a collection of enduring wisdom for anyone seeking resilience, virtue, and peace, one quote at a time.